Agentic AI is unlocking a new kind of opportunity. It's transforming the way that we all work. Now, with AI agents, we can all augment our everyday lives with conversational and intelligent technology that takes action on our behalf. With the collaboration potential between every system, application, and agent, it unlocks next-level gains in productivity. And that's why you're seeing agents pop up everywhere. All those different SaaS platforms you've invested in, they're adding agents to their experiences. You may also be experimenting and building them in-house, often across different platforms. Agents are even being packaged with popular LLMs. But with every opportunity comes new challenges to overcome. To make this vision real, we first have to tackle fragmentation. Each agent promises to streamline tasks within its own application, but they're blind to the broader enterprise, unable to orchestrate actions across domains, and they're lacking the guardrails that are necessary for secure, cross-system collaboration. The good news? We've solved this challenge before. It is digital déjà vu. For nearly 2 decades, MuleSoft has been the leader in helping customers unlock and compose their disconnected apps and systems in a secure and scalable manner with reusable APIs. Well, now, we're solving that same problem for agents. In addition to composing, governing, and managing APIs, MuleSoft now enables you to orchestrate, govern, and manage all of your agents. We're excited to announce MuleSoft Agent Fabric, a foundational solution for every agentic enterprise. MuleSoft Agent Fabric turns scattered agents into a coordinated, secure digital workforce. With a central registry to discover agents, intelligent brokers to orchestrate them, built-in governance to enforce those guardrails, and real-time visualization for oversight, you can scale agents everywhere with trust and confidence. So let me show you how it all works through a use case that we're all familiar with: employee onboarding. Onboarding is a multi-step process that includes getting an employee's profile set up, provisioning a laptop, and issuing a badge. Traditionally, hiring managers need to coordinate with multiple teams and toggle between different systems. It consumes precious time. But with MuleSoft Agent Fabric, all of this time can be saved because agents can securely streamline the entire process. Let's take a look. Let's imagine I'm a hiring manager. In this experience, I simply go to Slack and ask an onboarding assistant that's been created by my IT team to onboard Alex Smith. The assistant analyzes the request, and it determines the best fit agents to call and if any additional information is needed. For example, before it can create a CRM profile, it determines that it needs the sales territory information, which I can provide as a hiring manager. And then it can successfully finish creating the profile. The assistant then works with another agent to create Alex's HR profile. And so it continues to loop back and see what additional agents need to be called to complete the process. It calls agents to provision Alex's laptop and issue his badge, and then it summarizes all the steps that it just completed. And MuleSoft Agent Fabric enabled this experience. Specifically, we built an agent broker to power that assistant. An agent broker is the intelligent routing and coordination layer that connects agents across domains and ensures that the right agent is engaged at the right time. It engages the best fit agents and tools to execute complex processes, well, like onboarding. You can now build these brokers in MuleSoft Anypoint Code Builder. In Anypoint Code Builder, we can take advantage of our new dev agent to help us build the broker by giving it a prompt. Let's create an agent network for HR with a broker called the Employee Onboarding Broker. This is going to tackle new hire onboarding, including things like requesting a laptop and a badge, provisioning the correct IT systems. Our project is created, and now we want to give the broker access to an agent that creates a CRM profile. The dev agent has tools so it can search the agent registry, which is a centralized catalog for all your AI assets. And it immediately found 2 relevant agents. Instead of rebuilding, I can just reuse an existing agent that creates sales profiles in CRM. So I'm going to add that to the broker. Then I want to add an agent that can create the employee's HR profile. The dev agent finds our existing HR agent. Yep, that's the one. And it adds it to the broker as well. It asks us which LLM we want to use. We want to use OpenAI, and it's going to specify this in the project. Once we get all our agents and our MCP tools added, we can publish our agent network and deploy it. And we can see that the broker is also registered in Exchange, the agent registry, along with other agents and AI assets, including the ones that we discovered and added to the broker. Now, our onboarding broker is ready to go. But we're not done yet. We want to make sure that all of these agents are operating within the proper guardrails. With Flex Gateway support for MCP and A2A, you can govern agents using a high-performance gateway and apply policies and compliance and security controls. So let's hop back into Slack for a moment, and let's see what the previous experience would have looked like without this. The hiring manager wants to onboard a new employee, David Chen. This time, they send the prompt, onboard David Chen. His email is davidchen@example.com, and they pass in his social security number. It starts the same process we saw before. Great, right? Well, no. We don't want David's social security number to be passed between agents. We need to have measures in place to protect sensitive data. The good news is that an API manager, the team that wrote that employee onboarding broker, can add a policy to protect personal information. They can choose the PII detection policy, and they can specify that anytime a social security number comes in, it's rejected. So now that this policy has been applied, if we go back into Slack and we try to send that same request, it's rejected, and the social security number is not passed through. So now that we've ensured that sensitive data is protected and agents operate within defined controls, let's explore the final component of MuleSoft Agent Fabric. With Agent Visualizer, we can monitor and observe agent activity and performance with a visual map. We can see that our employee onboarding broker is connected to HR, badging, CRM, and laptop provisioning agents, as well as the additional MCP servers that it needs. If we click into the onboarding broker, we can see metrics like performance and health, and that our PII policies were properly applied. So there you have it. It doesn't matter where your organization is at in the AI journey. You can get started small by registering and starting to govern your existing agents and MCP servers. Now, agents can collaborate seamlessly and securely so that you can scale your agentic enterprise. This is MuleSoft Agent Fabric, the common thread to orchestrate, govern, and observe any agent built anywhere. With MuleSoft, you can turn fragmentation into a unified, intelligent network that drives productivity, innovation, and growth. Visit MuleSoft.com to learn more.